Have you been searching for the perfect family vehicle with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2021 Toyota Venza XLE in white. With HID headlamps, 19-inch aluminum wheels, brake assist, blind spot monitoring, heated and ventilated front seating, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 35,000 miles on the odometer, 7-inch touchscreen, split folding rear seats, power liftgate, 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at Marino, cjd.com, stock number D7133.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.